Hi, my name is James Vivanco, and this is the video for my final project for Physics 3030. Before I want to talk about that final project, I just wanted to let you know that my last communication science project was about the Hubble law by Brian Cox. He did this video on YouTube, and I thought he was fantastic. And he explained that Edwin Hubble saw the galaxies that are far away from us are seen to be moving away from us. The further away they are, the faster they're moving away from us. So he measured distances to many galaxies, and he measured the speed of these galaxies, how fast these galaxies are moving away from us. And as you can see, he made this graphic over here, this plot. And as you can see, as the distance goes up, and the faster the galaxies are moving away from us. So when he saw this, when Hubble saw this, he wondered, why do objects further away travel away from us faster? But he was smart enough to figure out that it was a signal of the expansion of the universe. Now, if you look at this graphic, it's not going to come to you naturally, because especially for someone that doesn't know anything about physics. And Brian Hughes used another example, and I'm gonna pull this over here. He gave this. He talked about the rubber band example. And he made this draw. This is the rubber band, and he put four galaxies on top of it, And he said that, let's say that after a certain amount of time, the rubber band gets bigger. So when the rubber band gets bigger, you can see that the galaxies gets further apart. So with this, let's say that if you would put a ruler in between these rubber bands, which is going to show on this graphic, you can see that we can measure how further each galaxy has moved. So for example, for the blue galaxy, you can tell that it has moved 1 inch, and for the yellow galaxy, you can tell that it has moved 2 inches, and for the green galaxy, you can see that it has moved probably 3 and more inches. Again, this is so now what happened to the rubber band? The rubber band has expanded, and the space between each of those galaxies has expanded as well. In conclusion, if you look at these galaxies, the further away from our galaxy, they all seem to be moving away from us, and that's the signature of the expansion of the universe. That space between galaxies is growing. And I hope you like this video. And I know it was a little bit more than 3 minutes, so hopefully that'll be okay. All right, we'll see you next time.